Hey guys, well, it is a gorgeous day out here, and literally it is. It is 79 degrees out here in North Texas. So today it is Groundhog Day. So I figured that today, do like what I do every year, and that's going to be getting the lawn equipments out and running. I always like to split them in two parts. Have one of them be the lawnmowers and the others be my handheld equipments. So for today, we're just going to do the lawnmowers and the chipper shredder. So here's all the lawnmowers, and then the Lawnboy 10606 is way over there because I'm charging its battery for the electric start, because that's the only electric start lawnmower that I have. Just give you a quick look. Alright, and then here's all the other four. And I guess that without further ado, we'll get started here. First one we're going to start out with is the chipper shredder. So this is a Yard Machines by MTD 3-way system. It says there, dedicated chipper, rake and chute, a drop-in hopper. And it is powered by a 10 horsepower Tecumseh engine, model HM100. Really good chipper shredder. This is obviously a homeowner model. We've had this chipper for about, oh god, maybe 20 plus years. It's a really good machine. Okay, we'll give it about half throttle. It's usually good. Choke. I need to turn on the fuel valve. There we go. I'll just let that sit a little bit to get the gas into the carburetor. Alright, so let's see what this thing does. Okay, that's one. Alright, cool. This thing always runs excellent. I don't know, for some reason my hand felt really wet on the fuel shutoff valve. Yeah, I think my fuel shutoff valve is... oh crap, it's leaking. I think I do have another one somewhere. I guess it must not like the ethanol. Alright, so now for the first lawnmower. Alright, the first lawnmower that we're going to start up is a 1986 Lawnboy 8461 commercial. And as y'all did see the last update video that I did last month, I got a new shroud plaque. Found that on eBay. I've been looking for one of those for a long time, because I'm not sure exactly what happened to the one that was on this mower. It must have fell off at one time when my dad was mowing with it, because he did use this mower commercially for about a couple of years. Okay. Turn its fuel valve on. Let's see, there is gas in it. Yep. This was just used recently because some of that winter grass in our front yard was getting pretty tall, so I had to mow it. So I ended up using this mower. So it should start up and no problem. That was maybe, oh man, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. I can't remember. All right, here we go. Alright, still running good for a lawnmower that is almost 35 years old. Alright, next. The next lawnmower is a 1991 Lawnboy M Series. This one is a M21 BMR. This one has the brake clutch. And I'll show you all the model number. Yep, so M21 BMRD. And on this one, the serial number is K158A0075. So the K on the serial number on this one indicates that this one was built in 1991. I forgot to show you all the model and serial number on the Lawnboy 8461. Now the serial number here on the Lawnboy 8461, it begins with the E, so that indicates that this one was built in 1986. Okay, let's check for two-stroke oil, and we're full. This one is oil injected, so you can actually put just straight gas in here, and I'll put some gas in this and we'll see if it starts. Alright, so I got gas in it, fuel valve is on, the carburetor doesn't appear to be leaking. I just put a new bowl nut gasket on it because the one that was on it was wore out, which it was causing a leak. Alright, so we'll see how this mower will start. This will be the second year of me having this mower. Alright, that'll work. Yeah, this one is a smoker one when it's not been used for a while. Okay, so the next one. The next one here is a 2003 Lawnboy 10323. It's the Silver Pro series, so I mean this is a homeowner model, which has the 21-inch offset staggered steel deck, whereas this one is aluminum, but practically the same shape, but just different materials. This is powered by a 6.5 horsepower Duraforce engine. This was Lawnboy's last two-stroke engine that they built. Built these from 1998 until 2004. And then after that, they no longer made lawnmowers with two-stroke engines. So I just recently put a brand new muffler on this mower, so it looks really good. And there is no gas, so I'll put some in there and we'll see if this one will start. Alright, she's all fueled up, ready to go. Usually 3 primes is enough. And this mower should start right on the first pull. Alright, it's choked. Let's see. Alright, well this thing runs excellent. Reason why I was kind of putting my hand there just to feel it, just to really feel it all just coming out, to ensure I don't have no exhaust leaks, in which in this case I don't. So that's good. Alright, so now for the 2 4-strokes. Okay, so the first 4-stroke lawnmower is a 2003 Craftsman. This one has the Honda GCV 160 engine. This mower is 17 years old and it's been a pretty good one. I really do like these Honda engines. Really good. The only thing I've actually had to do to this engine was adjust the valves, which that was maybe 8 or 9 years ago. And it's been good ever since. And we'll see how it will start. And crap, for some reason my carburetor is leaking. Huh. I wonder why. That's why I had to shut that thing off immediately, because otherwise this thing could have caught fire. Oh, great. I bet my float could be stuck. Alright, and the last one, which will be the Lawnboy 10606. And the last lawnmower that we're going to start up for the day is a 2011 Lawnboy 10606. So as you see right there, 10606, serial number is 311004795. So the 311 indicates that this mower was built in 2011. This is a 20-inch steel deck. It has self-propelled and electric start. This is powered by a Kohler Kohler Courage XT6 engine. I almost started saying GCV 160. I was thinking about Honda. Sorry about that. This is rated at 6.5 foot-pounds of gross torque, powered by Kohler, 149 cc's with smart choke. And I'll put some gas in it and we'll see if it'll start. Alright, so I got some gas in this one, and the carburetor doesn't appear to be leaking, because I've had some issues with the carburetor on this one back when it was brand new. I think that was just all due to the ethanol. But ever since then I've put ethanol-free gas in it. So I'll try the electric start. I did charge the battery. I don't know if it even has enough juice for it to turn it over. Nope, I don't think so. It's not turning it over fast enough. So I'll just pull it. Yeah, that's just all it was. I think I'm going to have to get a new battery for the electric starter. Just do a little quick start here. All right. Cool. So that does it for the part one of the startup videos for the year 2020. So as y'all just saw, all the lawnmowers are all up and running, just except I got a leaky carburetor on the Craftsman Mower. I'm not sure what's going on, but I can get into that some other time. But other than that, everything else was good with no problems. But except, well, this one obviously has a leaky fuel valve, which that's just simple to do. So maybe next weekend or the following weekend, just depends on the weather, I will do all the other equipments, the handhelds, like the Echo equipments and the steel equipments. So that'll just come later. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go in the house and watch the Super Bowl, which it's probably going on right now. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the startups of the Echo and steel equipments, which will be either next weekend or the weekend after. Just depends on the weather. All right, so take it easy, guys.